All right, so we just got through talking about covalent bonds. One type of solid, very rare type of solid that we're going to have, usually only formed between carbons or silicon dioxide, is what we're going to call a networked covalent bond. And it literally is what it sounds like, a network, an inner working of groups, a network covalent bond. What we get is we get a carbon. And carbon has the ability to have 1, 2, 3, 4 different bonds in 4 different orientations there, hang out with another carbon. 1, 2, 3, 4. But then what ends up happening is this carbon is able to hang out with another carbon, and another carbon, and another carbon, and another carbon, and another carbon. And give me 1 second. What you end up getting is a network of covalent bonds that looks like this. And what that means is basically you're creating a diamond. All right, you're creating a diamond. These are extraordinarily tough, very, very, very hard materials. Another example of that would be silicon dioxide, SiO2. You get a silicon to another oxygen with another oxygen, but then this oxygen is not a double bond there. It can then end up joining up with another silicon, and so forth and so on. So you start creating that, and that's what we call quartz. So quartz, and all of these are somewhat conductive of electricity. So like your phone has a little quartz crystal on the top, but it's also really hard. It's really, really hard. And so both quartz and diamonds, made of these network covalent bonds, have this really tough, strong structure that looks like this. And what's really cool about like diamonds and stuff is that when light goes in, it's able to get into these grooves here, reflect, and that's the sparkle inside of a diamond. And then if you get any like little bits of impurities inside of here, that creates the clarity of the diamond. Or you might be able to get yourself some chemicals inside of here to make yourself like canary diamonds that are yellow, or there's blue diamonds, and there's different types of diamonds that have just different impurities in here and whatnot. Or you could just make this in a lab. That's my personal opinion. You go to a lab, they put high pressure, high heat on a bunch of carbons, and they end up creating this network covalent bond situation here, and you create your own diamonds, these synthetic diamonds. You can actually do it to your own body, be cremated, take your carbon, take it to these labs that they can actually turn you into a diamond, turn you into a network covalent bond. You can be worn as jewelry.